How to prepare for a hair transplant? Are you considering a hair transplant? Preparing properly for the procedure can help ensure its success and maximize your overall experience. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps to prepare for a hair transplant. Let's get started. Research and consultation. Before diving into the process, it's crucial to do your research and find a reputable hair transplant clinic or surgeon. Look for testimonials, reviews, and before and after photos to assess their expertise. Schedule a consultation to discuss your concerns, expectations, and the suitability of the procedure for your specific case. Understand the procedure. During the consultation, your hair transplant specialist will explain the procedure in detail, including the techniques involved, expected outcomes, potential risks, and the recovery process. Make sure to ask any questions you have and have a clear understanding of what to expect. Follow pre-procedure instructions. Your hair transplant specialist will provide you with a set of pre-procedure instructions to ensure optimal results and reduce the risk of complications. These instructions may include avoiding certain medications, alcohol, and tobacco products, as they can interfere with the healing process. It's important to follow these instructions diligently. Arrange time off. Hair transplant procedures typically require a few days of downtime for recovery. Arrange time off work or any other commitments to ensure you have enough rest and minimal stress during the recovery period. This will help promote proper healing and improve the overall success of the transplant. Prepare your home environment. Before the procedure, it's essential to prepare your home environment to facilitate a smooth recovery. Set up a clean and comfortable space where you can relax, sleep, and avoid any potential contamination or injury to the transplant area. Stock up on soft pillows, clean towels, and any prescribed medications you may need. To make your recovery as comfortable as possible, gather the necessary supplies in advance. These may include a gentle shampoo recommended by your hair transplant specialist, a spray bottle for misting the scalp, a wide-toothed comb for delicate detangling, and any other item specific to your post-transplant care instructions. Leading up to your hair transplant, it's essential to prioritize your overall health and well-being. Follow a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to promote hair health and facilitate healing. Stay hydrated and engage in regular exercise to enhance blood circulation and support the recovery process. Stress can negatively impact the healing process and hair growth. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or hobbies you enjoy. Prioritize self-care and ensure you are in a calm and positive mindset leading up to your hair transplant. On the day of the hair transplant, it's important to pack a bag with essential items. Include loose, comfortable clothing that won't rub against the newly transplanted area, a button-down shirt or a zipper top to avoid pulling hair during dressing changes, and any necessary identification and paperwork required by the clinic. Familiarize yourself with post-transplant care. Your hair transplant specialist will provide detailed post-transplant care instructions. Take the time to thoroughly review and understand these instructions. This will include information about how to clean and care for the transplanted area, when to resume regular activities, and what signs or symptoms require immediate medical attention. Maintain a clean living space. Before your hair transplant, ensure that your living space is clean and free from dust, pet dander, and other potential allergens. A clean environment will reduce the risk of infections or complications during the healing process. Regularly dust and vacuum your living area to create a healthy and hygienic space for recovery. Inform your close contacts. Let your close contacts, such as family, friends, and co-workers, know about your upcoming hair transplant. Inform them about the procedure and the recovery period, so they understand any temporary changes in your appearance or limitations in your activities. This will help manage expectations and provide you with the support you need during your recovery. Plan your finances. Hair transplant procedures can vary in cost depending on the technique and extent of the transplant. Before the procedure, ensure you have a clear understanding of the financial aspects, including the overall cost, any potential additional expenses, and the payment options available. Plan your finances accordingly to avoid any stress or surprises. Mental preparation. Undergoing any surgical procedure can bring a mix of emotions. Take some time to mentally prepare yourself for the hair transplant. Maintain a positive mindset, trust in the expertise of your hair transplant specialist, and focus on the long-term benefits and positive outcomes the procedure will bring. Visualize the results you desire to stay motivated throughout the process. Create a post-transplant care routine. Establish a post-transplant care routine based on the instructions provided by your hair transplant specialist. This routine may include cleaning the transplanted area, applying prescribed medications or solutions, and avoiding certain activities or products during the healing process. Having a structured routine will ensure consistency and aid in the successful recovery of your hair transplant. Set realistic expectations. While a hair transplant can be a transformative procedure, it's important to set realistic expectations. Understand that the full results may take several months to become apparent as the transplanted hair goes through the growth cycle. Trust in the process and maintain patience as you progress towards your desired outcome. Create a checklist to ensure you don't miss any crucial steps or items. Create a checklist to keep track of everything you need to do and prepare before your hair transplant. Include tasks such as following pre-procedure instructions, gathering supplies, arranging transportation, and any other specific requirements mentioned by your hair transplant specialist. A checklist will help you stay organized and reduce stress leading up to the procedure. And there you have it, 18 steps to thoroughly prepare for your hair transplant. By following these guidelines, you'll be ready to embark on your journey toward regaining your confidence and achieving the hair you desire. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck with your hair transplant.